In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell services using WooCommerce. If you're looking to transform your WordPress site into a full-fledged service-selling platform, you're in the right place. So, let's dive in and explore how you can set up a service as a product in WooCommerce, allowing you to reach more clients and manage your offerings effectively. First things first, let's head over to your WordPress dashboard. You'll want to navigate to the Products section on the sidebar, where you'll find an option labeled Add New. This is where you'll be creating your service as a new product. It's fairly straightforward, but let's walk through the process to ensure clarity. Once you're in the Add New Product screen, you'll need to fill in some essential details. Start with the product name. This should be a clear, concise, and descriptive name that lets potential clients know exactly what service you're offering. Then, move on to the description fields. The main description box is your space to really sell your offering. Elaborate on what your service entails, how it benefits your clients, and any other relevant details. Beneath that, in the short description box, provide a brief summary that encapsulates the essence of your service in just a few sentences. This summary helps visitors quickly grasp what your service is about without diving into the full description right away. Additionally, don't forget to add some images. While this might sound odd since you're selling a service, visual elements like brand logos or service-related images can enhance the product page's appearance and make it more engaging. Next, let's talk about the product data box. Here, it's crucial to decide the product type that best fits your service. If your service has a single option, the simple product type works perfectly. However, if you offer different variations of the service, such as varying durations or expertise levels, consider using the variable product option. This flexibility allows your customers to choose from different options, catering to their specific needs. Now, you'll see an option labeled Virtual. You'll want to check this box because it indicates that your product, or in this case, service, doesn't involve any physical shipping. This is important as it declutters any unnecessary shipping settings from your checkout process. In rare cases where your service includes digital content, you might need to check the downloadable box. However, for most service-only offerings, this won't be necessary. Following this, setting the price is your next task. For simple products, input the standard price. But if you're offering a variable product with several options, make sure you set prices for each of those variations accordingly. This ensures that no matter which option your client selects, the pricing reflects accordingly and automatically updates based on their selection. Finally, once you've meticulously reviewed all the details and are satisfied with your setup, it's time to hit the Publish button. This will make your service available for purchase, and voila! You're now ready to sell your service through WooCommerce. By following these steps, you're equipped to create an efficient, user-friendly platform that showcases your services to potential clients, helping you expand your business seamlessly.